Kia ora tātou, the intention of this video tutorial is to orientate you in hapara around lockdown Mahi 3 for week 6. The theme is Whai Oranga and the po is whānau, so get your whānau involved. On the right hand side is our Whai Oranga timetable, so use that. If you are in Whare Taina, the same with you too, your timetable is also attached. If we flick on through, we can see that this is all in te reo Māori and it's colour coded. So that is all for taikura. However, if you keep scrolling down, you will see the te reo Pākehā versions. Alright, the colour codes obviously mean that these all go together, the resources and the activities. So read for understanding and read everything. That is your number one tip for any mahi in hapara. So let's do a bit of an example. What are the main things your whānau considers when shopping for groceries? Cool. What I would do if that was me is I'd go and talk to mum or dad, whoever does the shopping in your household. Next one, eat well for less. Watch the episode of Eat Well for Less. So in here is the link for the episode. Go on and watch it. Lastly, read and follow instructions to complete this task. So I need to go in there. And number 1, look at the food that is in your pantry and what food is bought in a week's shopping for your household. Okay, so I see a bunch of questions there. I'm either going to be able to answer them myself or I need to talk to my mum and dad or whoever I'm with to see how that is done. Number 2, create an online Google form with similar types of questions to gain information from the rest of your classroom peers. Compare all of their results. What were the trends and patterns that you have found? Okay, so if this was me, I would probably use some of these questions in my online Google form. I know that I need to link the Google form in here, and I may not be sure of how I'm going to send this form out to all of my classroom peers. So that might be a question that I take back to, if I'm in Whare Wainga, to the Q&A that's on a Monday, Wednesday or Friday, either in the morning or the afternoon. Or for Whare Wainga, I can go back up here. Your cursor needs to be by text to be able to open the add comment section. So I'm going to type in my question. Can you help me with this question, please? And if I comment straight away, it's going to go to this kaiako, or if I don't want to send it to Whailavi, I'm going to push add, and your list of kaiako will probably not come up with this. So I just need to add in the address, the email address for whoever I want to send it to. Ka pai, and then I push comment, and then it's going to come up and it's going to send a notification to that kaiako. Going back, if there's one last thing that I want to say is make your day intentional for your learning. Get up, wash your face, get changed, have breakfast, set yourself up in a nice quiet area, ready to learn. One of the things that I like doing is setting an online timer. 25 minutes, just solely focus on what you need to do in this. Once that 25 minutes is up, you might want to spend a good 5 to 15 minute break of doing something different. Set the timer. Once that has gone off, come back to your mahi and continue until you complete your mahi for the day, which is all of one colour. Kia pai te rā.